Okay, guys, I just took this, just sort of tried to trace it with my scissor, okay, to the halfway point, and then just folded it in half and made two. So we're just going to peel this off and put that on. But before I do that, I wanted to do one with the toes on, just to give you an idea. I'm just going up to the edge and the edge there where I can see, and then just pulling it up and trying to, I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I'm just doing the best I can, trying to follow the oval there. Up. And then again, I just have been moving it up and over. If I miscut, takes a little bit, but nonetheless, it works. I'm going to just cut across because we're going to make a bunch of these. So it's going to be the same depth because we got 3 little toes. And then I am just going to eye it, and cut it. Just in a rounded motion, just like the toes. Then we're going to take it, fold it in half, so we can cut the other side. And then we're just going to make, well, I got 6 altogether. Now, I'm going to cover this, I believe, with fabric. I'm fixing to go through my stash real quick and just see what I have. Otherwise, I may just leave this. I'm not sure. I don't think I have any paint, and certainly not spray painting weather. So we will see what we're going to do here. But anyway, his little toes, you get the idea. Footprints. And his heel print. This, I really want to do a pom-pom or a feather duster. And see how we do. All right, while we're waiting for the glue gun to heat up, I wanted to show you this bunny butt is going on Dollar Tree wreath. I just cut it open with just a plain knife. I bought Dollar Tree socks. Y'all know these are the Snuggadoos, which I totally love. I cut out the toes, and I'm just feeding them on however many I need. I bought 2 pair. We'll see if we need all of that. Again, I'm not going to make you watch me. I'm just going to show you the idea. Okay, there you go. Just glued all back together. The heel of the sock, it goes in the back. You know, this is sort of bunny fluffing. So anyway, we're going to get the bunny ready and we'll be back. Okay, the way I wound up doing it is just flipping it onto the right side of the fabric, tracing it. Seems to be so much easier to do that. The first one really didn't come out too well. So now I'm just going to trace out the foot and the tail so we have a little background to our Dollar Tree vinyl. Okay. I just glued it on the wreath that had the thing. You use the hanger. I use the hanger because it's glued to this pretty good. So I changed my mind and decided to go with the color feet to bring more of this in and less of the turquoise. So yeah, I just cut it out of vinyl. You know, I did it earlier, but I wanted to show you the updated look. Okay, guys, cleaned up my table for you guys, vacuumed and everything. Decided to spend some time organizing in the shop. Again, we're going to do some double-sided decor. This is before I put away all of my, I was going to say Halloween, Valentine's. I did the heart. I showed you guys with the bunny butt. We're going to do this side. We are just going to sort of guess at it. We'll get our peel and stick part going here. And we'll cut from that side. We're just going to cut that measurement, whatever it is. I mean, I do have rulers here, and then we'll do an end to end and cover it and decorate it for Easter. Okay, so I just cut there, line it up, cut here. Not big on having too many tools. I can't talk today. So, and then we're just going to take it and fold it. Just make sure that it comes clean with those two cuts. And then we're just going to cut along the fold, guys. There we go. I showed you before when we did this downstairs in my laundry room. It has a little section. So we just peel that off. And it'll give us a little grip on the other. And then you know what? The proper way to do this is to set this down and line it up. You know, your corners and all of that. Nice and clean. Because I remember working with this downstairs on my dryer. And it did want to wrinkle. So I learned to smooth it from the middle and then work your way out from there. And then you don't get as much crinkling with this. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. So there you go. That's our beginnings. Okay. Just wanted to show you. I put the tree on here. You know I only do one-sided trees. I took this. I'm going to hot glue it. Obviously, you see I made little bunny prints on it. I just took, it's a napkin, guys. A fabric napkin. Folded it in thirds, and I'm folding it in thirds again, so it makes it kind of roundish. Then I'm just putting it over this, gluing it in place. And then I have this, I'm going to glue. I fold it over the top like an L, more or less, for the tree. To clip the bunny on. These are little bunny clips. Then, so this is just going to look like a planner, more or less. Got to get my glue gun going. And then I have these little... trust me, with these hands, I am not going to try and string these on. I'm just going to glue them. And then I have a pick to go up under here for him. You know, they also sell those tiles and the small little square. I guess they're tiles too, but they also have the bigger tiles. So, but anyway, so yeah, I'll be back. I'm just waiting for my glue gun. Okay. So she's done. Just glued the eggs. Clipped him. I gave him a little extra glue too. Glued the back of this, the back of this. So it's not going anywhere. Little bunnies. You could put something up here. Probably going to put a bow because I'm not a fan of the red ribbon. So I'll probably put a bow with a tie to make it my colors on this side. So, but yeah, just something simple, little double-sided. You know, if you want to hang this on the wall, even on the doors. The only thing I would say is, with weather, Mod Podge it. They have the Mod Podge that's dishwasher safe. That's the one I prefer to use when I'm worried about weather. So, there you go. Okay. I wanted to show you how to make this temporary. I put screws here and here and then attached them. Make sure it doesn't go all the way through. They're very tiny screws with a head. But I did attach them to the panel on either side of the trunk here. And then I attached them with a pipe cleaner over the trunk of the tree. So I'm just going to show you this one and try to do it for you on camera. Just drilling on the other side of the trunk. Just let it go. Just a couple of bites. That's all you want. Then you're just making a little loop and hooking it on. And then wrapping it around that head so that'll hold it. Just keep it tight to the head of the screw. Then over top of the branch, or well, the trunk of the tree. Then on the other side, try to make a loop with your finger. Wrap it around. Pull it tight as you can. And just wrap that as much as you can. Kind of hide it in the branches. Loop it back over to the other side if you want. And there you go. Then you can take this off. And then it's truly double-sided decor, if you know what I'm saying. Then you just have your little flat things. This is all attached to the tree. These. I'm smashing it, by the way. So, I think I'm going to do bunny tails on the bottom of this one. I did bunny feet on the bottom of the other one. So, but yeah, there's your little idea for double-siding it and taking the tree off and just storing that separately. So, I do hope, I'm going to try and give you a better view of the whole thing. I haven't put the bunny tails on yet, but I'm thinking, you know. Hope you like. Okay, I have Dollar Tree wreath. I turned it over. I put, because I'm double siding. Obviously, I'm going to cut this off. I mean, you could keep it, hang it from either one. But I'm going to do the same thing I did with the fabric. And I just did this so that you won't see anything from the other side. You'll just see lace, right? And then from both sides, the lace will go with the heart. Oh, gosh. And the bunny butt, which I'm going to do very similar to the last one. But I wanted to show you the double-sidedness of that. And we'll be back. Okay, guys. This is the bunny butt side. I just traced this on this Dollar Tree fur. Just traced it on. Cut out the feet. Use the Dollar Tree dusters to make the bunny tail. So here you go. You can, I took the red off because I think I'd rather have pink or double side, you know. But anyway, there's the front, your lace look, and there's the back with your lace look. And there you have a double-sided Easter Valentine's. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on my next video.